Hey loves, in today's video, I'm creating this girly glitter Halloween press-on nail set. For today's design, I will be using some colors from the Rosalind Bright Summer 12 Gel Polish set. This set is $15.99 on Amazon. Each swatch is 2 coats of that color. I am using the XXL full cover coffin nails from the Attitude Shop on Etsy. I did a video of me applying them using a Gel X dupe. That video will be available on the end screen, and I will also put a link in the description. I purchased the Ivtor 10-sheet adhesive tab set from Amazon for $7.99 plus free shipping with Amazon Prime. Each sheet comes with 24 stickers in 6 different sizes. These tabs are very strong. My nail was on and I didn't feel like it was going to break off at all. This was such a quick and easy process. Now that I have all of my nails on, I'm going to gently buff the surface using a 180 grit file. For the nails on my index, middle, and ring fingers, I will be using the shade 39. It is a really pretty light pastel pink. I purchased the Go Create 16-pack rainbow glitter set from Walmart for $3. I applied 2 layers, curing each one for 30 seconds. I am using my Sensationail top coat to adhere the glitter. After thoroughly coating my nail with the glitter, I cured for 30 seconds. I am now using my top coat to encapsulate my glitter so I have a smooth surface to stick my decals to. I decided to put these cute little jack-o'-lantern stickers on my nails. I thought the orange made a cute contrast to the pink glitter. Now I'm going to apply these orange Hotfix crystals from Wish. To adhere my stones, I am using my Gadget's Entrepot LED Rhinestone Glue. To really cement the stones onto my nail, I am going over that glue with my top coat. I will now cure these nails for 2 minutes. On my thumb and pinky nails, I will be applying the shade 51. It is a yellow-orange shade, really pretty. It's going to make a great base for the orange glitter. I am removing the inhibition layer after curing with alcohol. Now I am applying the pumpkin spice scented So Rich Cuticle Oil by NCLA. And my girly Halloween jack-o'-lantern nails are done. These are so pretty, and I love the contrast of the orange little jack-o'-lanterns on the pink nails. So cute. And with the adhesive tabs, they're so easy to apply as well as remove. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video. Here is a cute little clip of me holding my jack-o'-lantern figurine that I purchased from Dollar General for $1. It's so cute. And of course, I had to get some footage of my nails outside because as you can see, the sunlight makes a huge difference in comparison to the lights that I film with. Let me know what you think of my nails down below in a comment. Also, have you had any super cute Halloween nail designs of your own? I would love to hear about those as well. Check out the description for all of the products that I used in today's video, and until next time, bye loves!